Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing. I'm not going to be doing a try on this month because, long story short, I recorded the entire video, did my makeup, and somehow it magically deleted from my memory card. And so I felt like it wouldn't be like as genuine, and so I guess what I'll just like mostly focus on is kind of like a first impression. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for you guys that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service and it costs $21 a month, and you receive 4 to 6 full-size beauty products. It's like honestly the best subscription box that I have found, in my opinion. I just think that they do a really good job, and that from what I hear, they're only trying to get better by making your boxes more personal and making it like more for you. And yeah, so I'm actually so excited about everything that I got in this box. Like, I am genuinely so happy with it, and this is like the best box I have ever received from Boxycharm, to be honest. And I started getting Boxycharm in like September, and I love this. I love it so much. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. Okay, so this is the box, and opening it up, this is what it looks like. And they did change their card, which I think is really nice the way that they did it, because you open it up and then you see your theme, and then they also include like their monthly Boxy Babes or whatever I think is what they said on their Instagram. And then you open it, and then you have your list of products, your description, the prices, and whatnot. And then on the back of it, it just has our coupons instead of having them like loose in the bag. In this one we have, or in the box. And then this one we have our 10% off Tarte, and then a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. And then we also have like this little scanning thing, and you can unlock exclusive giveaways and promos and stuff like that. So basically it'll take you right to their website. I think it's really cool, and I think these cards are a lot nicer than what they did have, which was just their standard little basic thing. I really like this better, and I feel like it's more fitting, and I don't know, it just looks better in my opinion. So moving on. Okay, and so then this is what it looks like. And then the first thing that I saw in here was the Tarteist Pro Glow, and I got the shade, I forgot. Okay, and I got the shade Stunner, so this is what that looks like, and I am wearing that right now. And I feel like it did a really good job. It's very pretty, but I'll do a swatch for you. We'll see if we can see it on camera. And like, the best part about this is you don't need a lot. You just need like the smallest amounts. But when I did try to do it with my beauty blender, I felt like it was drying faster than my beauty blender could blend it out, if that makes sense. So you do kind of want to go over this with your finger. And it's very shimmery. Like, let's see. Nah, it's not showing. But it is very shimmery. It's very pretty, and you can see it on my face. So there's that. And this product retails for $29. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in a hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. It was very easy to apply, and I mean, I got out of work and came home and redid this video, and I mean, I'm still glowing. So I really like that. And the next line that I see on here is this lipstick by Ades, and this does not have a shade on it. I really did like this. This lasted so long today through eating and vaping on my e-cig, like everything, like it lasted a long time. The only thing that I don't like about this is the fact this wand is weird. Like, I've heard of some people who had a problem with it and how it fell off, but like it's really flimsy, so it makes it really hard to control when you're applying it to your lips. But the color is very pretty, and it's not matte. It's really kind of like it kind of had like this nice glossy look to it. I really liked the way that it looked on me. And it smells really good. It smells like cake. So, I mean, you can't really complain. And that retails for $24. And they say it's a luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick, provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliant. So I definitely think that it did what it claims. Like, it lasted me a long time throughout the day, and I really don't have much complaints other than that wand. Next product. Alright, we have the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner by Dr. Brandt. I love, love, love Dr. Brandt products. And this is a purifying mask. And I have not tried this yet, but I will be trying this tonight, and I will update in the description how I like it and what I thought of this. And this is $47. This says, this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the lock of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. And from what I've heard, this is best used for people with oily skin. So I'm really excited to try this, and I love that Boxycharm has been including Dr. Brandt products because they are expensive and you don't really want to have to buy them. But when you get them, you're like, I see why they're so expensive, because I feel like they work really good. So the next thing in here is the Brow Gel by Tanya Crooks, and this is the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfiber, and this is for light hair. But I do have darker eyebrows, and I only used this today because I wanted to see how it would last throughout the day and what I could do with just this. And I really liked it. I felt like it made my brows look pretty full. Like, it looks like I filled my brows in today, and I didn't. I just used this. So I feel like this will be really good for on the go, and I think it does a really good job. And if it is too light for you, then you could always just go over with some powder, or start with powder and then go over with this or whatever, you know, and darken yourself back up. But I think that this is a really good product, and I was really excited to see this in here. And this retails for $22. It says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill into their eyebrows, and it definitely does what it claims. So the next thing in here, this was the most exciting thing for me because we all know that they were including ColourPop palette, and I was like, had my eye on one in specific that I really wanted, and I was so excited when I got my box today and I looked and I got the one that I wanted. I was like, oh my gosh, it's like they knew. And I got the My Little Pony ColourPop palette. I was so excited about this. I love My Little Pony. So this is what it looks like. I think the packaging on it is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then this is the back, and it's just got the shade names. And then we're just gonna open this up, and this is what that looks like. And I love this packaging. I just think it's so cute. And then again, the names on the back, and then you open it up, and bam! These are our colors, which I think are just gorgeous. They are so pretty. And I did do this look using only this palette. And this includes, looks like it has 4 matte, 8 shimmers, and I really like it. A lot of people really like the ColourPop shadows because they blend really nice. They're very pigmented, and I 100% agree with that. And now after getting this one, I'm kind of like, you know, I think that I'm gonna start buying some ColourPop shadows because I really like this, and it makes me want to get all the rest of the palettes. $16, and it says explore the palette inspired by their colorful personalities and magical cutie marks. From shimmery glitters and wearable mattes to bright pops of color and surprising iridescence, you can imagine the look you'll create with this little palette. Friendship is magic when you're friends with this sparkly girl. It's so cute. Okay, and yes, this one right here is the iridescent shade. It looks white, but once you apply it, it has kind of like blue and pink reflex in it, and that was actually what I used as the inner corner of my highlight today. So yeah, I really like it. I think that is so cool. It's so pretty and the colors are like perfect for My Little Pony. So I'm so excited for this. Okay, and my box this month was actually worth $138. And I got variation 4. So overall, I'm so happy with this box. This honestly is my favorite box I've ever gotten for Boxycharm. And it just makes me really excited to see where they're going to go from here. And yeah, I really like it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys got in the comments, because I know there's like 4 other palettes. There was some brushes that you could get, and there was a different lipstick instead of the Tarte highlighter. So I mean, there are so many variations this month, and I think that is so exciting. And it's really cool because I mean, you could just watch a video and be like, oh, I'm getting that exact same thing. And now I mean, this month was really fun because you didn't really know what you were gonna get, and it just kind of, I don't know, I just liked it. I thought it was more fun. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.